It was the third day of the week. It was Wednesday. Autumn has arrived and the weather was cold. Mathewson residents were staying home because of rainy and windy weather. Everyone was bored, staying home all alone. Edo, who bored like everybody, called Coco. Hello, Coco. How are you? I'm so bored of sitting alone at home. What are you doing? Oh, I'm bored too. I'm just sitting and I don't want to do anything. Me too. I don't want to do anything, but I don't want to be bored. That's why I called you. We will not get bored if we find a solution. Let's use our thinking finger and think. Let's use our thinking finger and think. Let's visit Mr3 at home. We haven't seen him for a while. What do you say? Oh, okay. Let's decide how to go there. I don't really remember the way to his house. If you like, we can meet at the beginning of the numeral street. I mean, in front of Miss Zero's house. But we should wait in silence. You know she doesn't like any visitors. Wait, Edo, we should make a plan. We should put things in order. First, we call Mr3. Let's see if he wants guests in the evening. Then we will decide where and when we should meet. And let's think of which vehicle should we take. And of course, we should buy a present if we go. And we should check our money. You're right, Coco. After Coco and Edo make their plan, they called Mr3. He told that he is so bored and will be at home this evening. He added that he'll be very happy to be together. Edo and Coco get dressed and meet in front of Miss Zero's house at the beginning of the numeral street. Mr3's house is between Miss 2's and Boy 4's house. Meanwhile, Mr3, who wants to welcome his guests in the best way, wanted to prepare vegetables and fruits as healthy snacks. He used his thinking finger. He tried to remember what are the autumn vegetables and fruits. Lemon, bananas, carrots. At the end, he decided to serve bananas. Mr3 went to the kitchen. He panicked when he saw only one banana on the plate. This is something he doesn't want. There would be 3 people in the evening, so 3 bananas were needed. He didn't have time to go to the market. What should he do? He used his thinking finger. Things to do was to borrow 2 missing bananas from his neighbor, Miss 2. Neighbors would help each other anyway. He went out to the garden and called out Miss 2. Hello, Miss 2. Tonight I have guests and I would like to serve bananas. But I only have 1 banana. You know what I like, everything in 3s. We will be 3 people in the evening, so I need 3 bananas. Do you have any bananas I can borrow? Hello, Mr3. I have 2 bananas. I don't want to eat them today. Of course, you can borrow them. Don't worry. Mr3 was so happy to have a neighbor like Miss 2. Mr3 told her that he will buy bananas from the market and return them as soon as possible. Miss 2 went inside and she took 2 bananas from the fruit basket. And she gave them to Mr3, who was waiting outside. Mr3 put 2 bananas which he borrowed from Miss 2 and 1 banana together. He completed 3 bananas and he started to wait for his friends. At the same time, Edo and Coco met at the beginning of the street. They went to the market to buy 3 blue triangle frames for 3 mathemonies. Eda said that she doesn't have any money. Coco said that she has 3 mathemoni. So, problem was solved. They took the road and reached Mr. 3's house. They knocked the door 3 times. Mr. 3 opened the door. Friends who haven't seen each other for a long time were very happy.